What's up, guys? It's your boy Easy, the Easy Way. Let me tell you something about small problems in your house. You see that little drip drip? Looks harmless, right? Like a mosquito at a cookout. Annoying, but no big deal. But give it time, and boom, you're swimming in your living room like Michael Phelps. And that tiny crack in the wall, ignore it, and it will invite all its cousins. Before you know it, your house looks like you're auditioning for a horror movie. Here's the kicker. What cost you $50 to fix today will slap your wallet for $5,000 tomorrow. So remember this. Take care of your home, and your home will take care of you. Maintenance equals value. Don't wait until it breaks your bank.